In today's video, we're looking at how to write an equation when I'm given a line. Now remember, my equation is always y equals mx plus b. My b is my y-intercept, so whatever point is on that y-axis, automatically my b. My m is my slope. So how much do I go up and over or down and over? So I have 3 steps I'm going to do. Let me go ahead and write those. So my first step, so I want to know what kind of slope is it. So I'm going to write type of slope because that will help me find my slope. 2, I'm going to find my b or my y-intercept. Let me go ahead and write a b as well. And then 3, we're going to find our slope. And we're going to find it by going up and over or down and over. And what this is called is rise over run. So I'm going to go ahead and write that too. Rise over run. Or if it's negative, we're going to go down and over. And for my visual people, let's just do a quick reminder for ourselves, positive and a negative. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my first step, my type of slope. Ooh, in my other video, I do have a video called Type of Slope. I remembered that I look at my line with my little guy, my little person, and he's going to go from left to right, and he stops at this line. In order to keep going to the right, he has to climb up. So I know this is going to be a positive slope. So I'm going to go ahead and write y equals blank x plus blank. Don't need a negative because it's a positive slope. Second step, y-intercept. Let me look where it hits the y-axis. 1, 2, -2. So I write that in the b spot. Now for my slope. Up and over or down and over. Well, I know this is positive, so I go up and over. I like to start at the y-intercept. Now I need to count. How do I get from here to here? 1, 2. I'm going to write that right away because that's my up. That's my rise. 1, 2, 3. And that's my run. So my slope is 2 over 3. So up 2 over 3. Now let's go ahead and do my other one. My first step, find the type of slope. Let's see. I've got my person walking, walking, walking. When they hit the line, in order to keep going to the right, this person has to go down a slide. So I'm going to write in a negative right away so I don't forget. Negative something x plus blank. Step 2, find your y-intercept. Where does it hit on the y-axis? It's all the way up here. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 3. Now I got to find my slope. Now I have a negative because we decided this is a negative slope. So I'm going to follow this step, which is down and over. So again, I start at my starting point and I go down 1. Let me write that right away. And over 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Quick recap. First, you want to figure out what type of slope you have. If you have a negative slope, I would just write that in right away so you don't forget that part. Then you go to the y-axis, find your point on the y-axis, which is our b. We call that our y-intercept because that's where it intercepts the line. And that goes in the spot without an x. Then I start at that point because it's my starting point. And I count either up and over or down and over. And that's why it's so important to find your type first so you know if you're going up or down. And that's it. See you in the next video.